What's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade your stock John Deere headlight to this awesome LED headlight. The best part, it only takes about 15 minutes and this light is about 40 bucks. So without further ado, let's get into it. So step one, all you're going to do is remove the vertical bolt that's holding on the OEM headlight. Step two, you'll come to the other side and remove the bolt on the cover here and just take that one off. And step three, there's one more bolt holding the actual bracket on here. I kept all the OEM hardware, but for this, you're going to want to use the bracket and the hardware that came with the new light. Don't use the OEM hardware, you will have problems, but the bracket fits on here perfectly with the hardware that comes with it. And right here, I am just putting the new light on, one bolt, tighten that sucker down. Don't tighten it all the way if you want to be able to move it kind of side to side a little bit like that. And then right here, I'm removing the wire loom. And I'm just cutting the wires closest to the old light. You've got a yellow wire and a black wire, so I just snip those. And then I stripped off the ends of the yellow and black wires right here. Snip that one. Great. Now right here, all I'm doing is I'm wire nutting these together. Now I would have used something else. Sorry, the camera got a little bit off angle here. I probably would have used like a waterproof heat shrink wrap type connector, but all I had was some wire nuts and I wasn't sure if this was going to work. I just go black wire to black wire and then the yellow to the red. You'll kind of see it come back in frame here. And finally, I'm just buttoning it back up. So I'll put the cover back on, feed the bolt back through. Here's the light I'm using. I'll put a link below. It's from AutoZone. It's a Terra Pro Type S 4-inch LED light. It is 3600 lumens, and it does come with all the hardware you're going to need, and it fits perfectly into that bracket. Now, I don't know if this has any harm on the engine, so don't ask me about flux capacitors or anything like that, but I haven't had any problems so far. Now that this thing's installed, let's see what they look like at night. Up first, we have the OEM headlight on the John Deere, and I'm just coming across the yard here. The OEM headlight is not bad. You know, it's the older, I guess, the halogen style. It is the flood type, so it's got a wide pattern as well. This one still works, so there wasn't a problem. I just think the other one is so much better. And here is the aftermarket headlight. You can see already how much wider it is. I think you can get a better angle here when I'm coming across the yard. So in just a second, you'll see, I mean, it lights up pretty much, yeah, way brighter. This one is a flood pattern as well. And right here, you'll see me take out my landscape light. Thanks for the transport axle hanging off. I usually cut these off, but I didn't cut them off on this motor and it got me. Happens to the best of us. Here's just another angle of how bright it is coming across the yard. So I was really happy with this, and it's waterproof as well, so you know, you don't have to worry about that. I plan to go back and probably get some better connectors and take the wire nuts off. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. As always, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy mowing.